Hi, it's Leo here. Today we're going to reverse the linked list in pairs, and it's going to be another recursive way, okay? So, as always, we will read the description. Reverse pairs of elements in a singly linked list. If there's no elements in the linked list, we're going to return it itself. And if there's only one element, we're going to return itself too. So, the counter case is if head is equal to null or head.next is equal to null. At this time, we're going to return the head itself, okay? So, if we're going to do it in a recursive way, we have to think of the base case, okay? And the base case is right here, when there's only one element, and when there's no element at all. We're just going to return it. And the next thing is the recursive rule, okay? So the recursive rule is when the next level, the subproblem, we have to talk about the subproblem first. The subproblem is head.next, because we're reversing the linked list in pairs. Okay, right here. If we want to reverse it in pairs, so that our subproblem will come from here. Okay, so that's going to be head.next. All right, and the recursive rule will be we're going to move 2 to the front of 1, and then 4, and then 3 goes on. Okay, so how do we do that? First, we're going to create a list node. We can name it next to save list node 2, the current status of list node 2. Okay, so it's going to be head.next. All right, and do we have the current state of the one element? Yes, it's the head. Okay, and the next. So in this case, since we're making a new linked list, we have to save their current state. That's why we have this node. Okay, so let's try it. Let's save the list node called a new head. Let's make new head what we get from the subproblem. Okay, so the function will call itself reverse in pairs and head.next. Okay, we're going to save it in new head. After the reverse is done, we're going to connect the 1 to the new head, okay, to whatever we have from the reverse in pairs, the subproblem. So let's connect 1 and this new head first. Okay, what is 1? 1 is head. Head.next equals to the new head. Okay, and then we're going to connect 2 to 1. So 2 is next, and that next is equal to the original head. Okay, so we connected 2 to 1 and 1 to the subproblem, and we have a new linked list, which is just what we want. And don't forget your return statement. This time we're going to return list node 2, so it's going to be next. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, it's taking some time. Oh, the same as expected, and we're going to submit it. If you like the video, please subscribe and like the video. Great, it's accepted. I'll see you next time.